Selenium Desired Capabilities, set handles alerts for PhantomJS driver. I'm trying out PhantomJS with WebDriver and I'm having trouble with handling JavaScript alerts. I noticed the PhantomJS driver desired_capabilities has a field, handlesAlerts, column false. Is there a way to set this value to true? I've tried the obvious way, but that doesn't have any effect. I can change the value in the dictionary drv.desired_capabilities, handlesAlerts equals true, but when I try to switch to an alert, I get an error message.
The API specifies that desired capabilities be passed into the constructor. However, it may be the case that the driver does not support a feature requested in the desired capabilities. In that case, no error is thrown by the driver, and this is intentional. A capabilities object is returned by the session, which indicates the capabilities that the session actually supports. That is what's actually happening in this case. The PhantomJS driver doesn't support handling alerts as seen in the source code. The return capabilities object indicates as much. In most language bindings, this return capabilities object is read-only. In language bindings where the return object may be read-write, modifying these capabilities has no actual effect on the session. In the pending W3C WebDriver specification, there is a required capability setting which would throw an exception if the server cannot provide the capability, but that hasn't been implemented by any driver yet as far as I'm aware.
If you want to, please leave a like.